Hello students, मैं BL Sharma, maths sir, discussing case study based question of chapter 4, class 10th mathematics, and the name of the chapter is quadratic equation. And now I read the question. Mehta Fabricators has got an order for making a frame for machine of their client, for which they are using an AutoCAD software to create a constructible model that includes the relevant information such as dimensions of the frame and material needed. In order to input the right values in the AutoCAD software, the engineer needs to calculate some basic values. I think you have understood the question. मेहता फैब्रिकेटर्स को एक क्लाइंट से ऑर्डर मिला है कि उसको एक सॉफ्टवेयर के जरिए एक मॉडल बनाना है उसकी मशीन के लिए, फ्रेम के लिए। और वो ऐसा फ्रेम है, देखिएगा ये फ्रेम उसने बनाया है, ये देखिएगा। ये जो है उसका लेंथ और जो ब्रेड्थ है 10 मीटर 5 मीटर है। और ये जो फ्रेम में अगर आप बोथ साइड, दिस साइड, इसका जो विड्थ x मीटर है, right? And now we have to give the answers of certain questions. First question is, what are the dimensions of the outer frame? Question number 2, a metal sheet of minimum area is used to make the frame. What should be the minimum area of metal sheet before cutting? Third is, what is the area of required final metal frame? And the last fourth part is, if the area of the frame is 54 meters square, what is the value of x? We have to give the answers of all these 4 questions. And I'll try to give the answer one by one. And the first part is, what are the dimensions? Means length and breadth of the outer frame. If you go here, this length from here to here, that is 10 meter. And this, because this is x, so this here, this length is also x meter. Similarly, this side is also x meter. So the total length is 10 meter plus x meter plus x meter. So total length is 2x, or x plus 10 meter. The length is 10 plus x, that is 10 plus 2x meter. And now we come to breadth. Breadth is this. It is 5 meter. This is x meter. And this is also x meter. So total breadth is x plus 5 plus x. That is 5 plus 2x meter. And this is answer of the very first part of the question. The dimensions of the outer frame is 10 plus 2x meter. And breadth is 5 plus 2x meter. Length is 10 plus 2x meter. And now we come to the second part. Minimum area of metal sheet before cutting. We know this is total before cutting. This is the frame. This is metal sheet. The area of metal sheet means here it is a rectangle, and area of rectangle is given by length into breadth. So length into breadth. And you already have calculated length is 10 plus 2x and breadth is 5 plus 2x. 10 plus 2x multiplied by 2x plus 5. And again multiply, that is 4x square plus 30x plus 50 meters square. So the area of this whole frame is 4x square plus 30x plus 50 meter square. ये पूरा फ्रेम है, देखिए ये पूरा जो यहां से एनक्लोज्ड होता है, इस पूरे का एरिया होगा 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 30x प्लस 50 मीटर स्क्वायर। And now the question is, what is the area of required final metal frame? See here, metal frame is this darker portion. ये जो पोर्शन है, मीन्स इस पोर्शन को हटा दीजिए, इस एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल का एरिया को हटा दीजिए, जो भी एरिया बचेगा दैट इज एरिया ऑफ द रिक्वायर्ड मेटल. सी दिस वन, दिस वन, दिस वन, दिस वन, दिस वन. आई कैन make this one एंड ये आउटर फ्रेम को मैं, इसका हमें एरिया चाहिए. क्या करना पड़ेगा? टोटल एरिया में से, टोटल एरिया में से ये व्हाइट वाले पोर्शन को हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. देखिए, सी हियर द टोटल एरिया इज 4x square plus 30x plus 50 meter square. That is why we can say, and now we can say that area of the frame left is 4x square plus 30x plus 50 minus 50. ये वाला white वाला portion आपको हटाना पड़ेगा. This is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is given by length into breadth. This is 10 meter by 5 meter. So this 50 and 50 cancel. So what is left? That is 4x square plus 30x meter square. And this is answer of the third part. And now we come to the fourth part. The area of the frame is 54 meter square. Means ये red वाला जो portion है, उसका area 54 meter square है. और that is equal to 4x square plus 30x. So we can put area of the frame is 4x square plus 30x. That is given, that is equal to 44 meter square. Put equal to 44. And this is 2x square plus 15x minus 27 is equal to 0. देखिए, डिवाइड करिए यहाँ दोनों तरफ 2 से. That is 2x square plus 15x minus 27 is equal to 0. Now, since this is a quadratic equation, so to find the value of x, we have two ways. One is by using quadratic formula, and other by the factorization. And this is a quadratic equation, so we can factorize it by splitting middle term. So this is 2x square plus 18x minus 3x minus 27 is equal to 0. Take 2 common, and these are two factors, 2x, x plus 9 and 2x minus 3 equal to 0. To get the value of x, put x plus 9 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. We get x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 3 by 2 meter, or x is equal to minus 9 meter. Student, please note, the direct dimension means the length cannot be negative. Here it is negative 9. That is why we have to reject it. So the what is answer? X is equal to 1.5 meter, means the width is here to here is 1.5 meter. And this is the answer of the fourth part of it, and that's all. Thank you. Thanks. Please take a screenshot of it.